As Latter-day Saints, our lives today are built on the quiet strength and immense sacrifices of those who came before us. Their faith wasn't just spoken, it was lived through extraordinary trials. In this episode, we're taking a closer look at Latter-day Saint women and what true, courageous faith really looks like. Members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints represent a faith practiced by millions, a faith which has also inspired its share of controversy.
I think if you look at Brigham Young's whole life, well, it's a conundrum.
I'm Camrey Bagley Fox, and together with John Wilson and Professor Daniel Peterson, we work to uncover unexpected twists in the character of a man that we thought we already knew. In this episode, we are fortunate to once again have two special guests.